Okay, so that's the end of the hourly candle. We've rallied up, we've run the bodies of the highs here. Pulled back, we've closed below that body still. Still pulled back and closed. We didn't close above the body of this candle. So formed a swing low. Now it's just, we've got a swing high, a swing low. It's definitely a battle of the bulls and the bears. It now just sort of plays out which side is going to win. You know, the bear's going to win and drive it down, or the bull's going to win and run it higher. US index has closed bullish that candle. It still hasn't run this low. From an hourly point of view, we've got a swing low here. We've closed above this bullish order block level. Still expecting pressure to the upside. The euro is following the US index. It's bearish still. Cable is showing some strength against that, which makes sense when you consider the news that comes out being bullish. Once that sentiment wears off, it may well drop and catch up, or just you know, the US news should hopefully overpower it. I think it's showing the manipulation that's in the market. When you get one pair being held up, the other one being let go, it's also going to be letting the euro pound will be dropping, because the pound is holding stronger against the US index than what the euro is. The euro is making lower lows. The pound is actually making higher lows. So it's showing some divergence between the two. And that will be allowing the euro pound pair to drop. Because the euro is the weaker of the two at the moment. However, once the euro pound reaches its target, there's nothing stopping cable from continuing its downtrend. So, as at the moment, I am going to hold my stops up here. Positive 50 pips on this trade. I'm positive 50 pips, I'm risking 50 pips. My target is another 200 pips down with the trend. The only reason it's so far away is because it's going with the daily trend. In a scenario like this, where you've got a rally high, you know, a pullback against the trend, you want to look to take your profits off your long. So if the current trend is down, you want to look to take your long profits off the table sooner rather than later. We may still break up into this resistance level here, these old lows, and then break down. That would be a retest of the daily or the weekly open. That weekly open level is still yet to be hit. The weekly open. The open of that candle was 127.42. The high of this candle is 127.35. So technically the weekly open hasn't yet been retested. So we opened, we've rallied on the weekly candle, we've dropped. It often comes back, retest the weekly open, and then continue lower. So it may redo that into this resistance level, 127.50 big figure. Hopefully it doesn't wick through it too far. If it does that, stop out and then drop, that would be disappointing. However, I'll see what happens. Hopefully this euro keeps dropping as well. And looking for the US index to get some momentum to the upside leading into its news. And hopefully its news shows up. Bullish for US index. I'll leave it at that.